Okay, so here is our next word that is a conjunctive adverb that I want us to go over. And it is nonetheless. It's synonymous with nevertheless and a host of other words, but we're going to use nonetheless. My brother rarely helps me with my homework. Nonetheless, if someone is picking on me, he jumps right in to defend me. That's a sweet one. I'm sure this is very common with families. You could say nevertheless. A lot of words obviously would fit here, but nonetheless definitely fits here. So let's see. You could also end with nonetheless. You could say, it was the the weirdest of welcomes. So, but it was, you could say welcome, or you could say something that's synonymous with welcome. So let's check it out. Let's check out. Was a reception. You could say greeting. You could say it was a greeting, salutation. I would say salutation. I think greeting sounds a little odd. So let's copy this. Say welcome. Greeting. You could say salute. I don't know. Salute just sounds weird. Makes it just sounds a little off. Probably just awkward. Doesn't fit. Right? The word salute. Doesn't seem to fit unless it's with regards to the military, etc. This is okay, but a bit too on the nose. I kind of like this one. It was the weirdest of welcomes, but it was a salutation nonetheless. This is a bit too on the nose. And this, I actually think this is number one. I like this the most. Because a greeting is clearly a welcome. It's not something that you say when someone's parting ways. It's a greeting is a welcome. I mean, it's definitely a synonym. It seems to flow the best. You know, because salutation seems to remind one of salute. It's kind of in this same vein, but this seems number one. This seems number two. And this seems number three. Again, it's a bit on the nose, but not bad. So nonetheless, a lot of times it'll be in the beginning of a sentence, you know, in a two-sentence block, or at the very end of a two-sentence block. And there are a lot of other examples, but I think this is a good start. And just remember, it is synonymous with nevertheless, and it's definitely one of those words that is a conjunctive adverb. And you could also use this phrase, in spite of that. In spite of that. You know, or in spite of everything. Those are the big ones. Thank you very much.